Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have another listing, guys. This is 9,700 square meters beach resort located in Panglao Island, somewhere in the west. It's a cliff and good for diving business. So the size is again is 9,700 square meters, clean title, and it is operational. So ga-operate ni siya, guys. Operational. It has 15 villas. So this is the cliff area of the property of the beach, no. Pero guys, you can still go into the water because there is a portion, no, na portion dito. There is a portion nga gibutangan nilang murag hagdanan paingon sa ubos, guys. So makita ni nato ron, no, there's still a portion that we can access to the water or to the sea. So mao ni siya, guys. There's a small swimming pool. I think this is for the kids. Sa ibabaw ani there is also a bigger swimming pool. So as you can see, there are small houses, concrete houses. That is the villa. Then the bigger one is the front desk area. So mao na siya, guys, no. So this is what I mean, no, kanang butang hagdanan paingon sa ubos. So you can access to the beach. So this is the villa, the front desk area, guys, no. So per villa, according to the front desk officer, the lady told me that it is 2,600 per 24 hours or per night, no. Mao na siya, guys. So you can still develop more because there's still big portion or space to develop more buildings. So if you are a developer, you can convert this into a guys, what you call that, condominium development. Pwede siya ni i-convert na lang, gubo na lang ng villas or i-arrange ba na nimo. So na kay mga estilo saon pag-design. So you can still convert, no. So this is the pictures ni sa ato ang gikuan kay wa man makuha tanan video. So ni take tag pictures. So this is the situation, no, of the property. So mo ni akong giingon, the one na there is a ladder, no, o sa tawag hagdanan, basta hagdanan paingon sa ubos. So see. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay? So this is the swimming pool, no. Kita na to for the adults. Okay? Thank you very much and God bless to all. So mo ni dako pa nga portion pwede pa ka makadevelop, guys. Okay?